Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Mình ta nghĩ cái đây day 4 và ngadan Hanipok Cathedral. But follow cuma kan nabarba. Kira-kira game siya and kibun beliau hat dengan payo rumah mar pa Islam and habaru dan game tasni kita lebih auditorium. Yang banyak kasus ni, yang contoh sini dan misalnya siapa. So tasni kada you day. A team you day and yang kumpa aquarium ngariam kumpa aquarium ngariam kumpa Barbie tengok lang na do I look like a Barbie? Yeah. Tengok lang na kumpa Barbie. I don't know, so comment mo please ya. So aku akan pergi ngariam na. So do I look like a Barbie? Yeah. Comment box.
Yeah. You look like Barbie, and I look like Wednesday.
Sebab kenapa? Iki. Terus mah.
Iki. इसके जैसा लग रहा है Wednesday का जैसा
Wednesday?
You don't know what? You know that movie Wednesday?
No. You?
वो जो Wednesday she is like full black कपड़ा से पहनता है जो इसका फ्रेंड है वो पूरा पिंकिश
मेरे बाल
पिंकिश हो गया हम पूरा ब्लैक
तो ini yang ilom tak movie Wednesday full black and full pink. So guys, sini na siya po college. And pini igibro kiriam makajong kiriam namar kasi tadi you day the kiriam mga mapi kasi ngijong pi kasi ngijong nga kiriam punta. So yeah, ang say pay fee po college. So guys, nila po sa college. Guys, pergi nang kayak kita dengan reels, nang Tinder. So guys, thank you very much for sundering this teachers. That's the sundering teachers. Ini di fotografi Niru, kita sundering Niru, she's a photographer. Our photographer. Si pencenduri and siyan mangi ijuhon na mabring inang tang even pencenduri so nice photo. Thank you. Kapang idang dan program siya in Shanghai niya and so siya pang ando gaya ng lecho auditorium ng pekton iyo
अभी स्टार्ट हो गया इससे क्या सही रहता है
guys napay ko auditorium. I'll show you the auditorium. Guys, when I left the then hindi na ako job.
Exchange your answer scripts with the team next to you, okay? Just make sure that you don't have your answer script with you, and we will correct it now. Just exchange with them. Okay, exchange. Correct honestly, don't you? So, the first question. In which country is Mount Everest located? Anyone? Yeah, Nepal. So if you have Nepal, just give 1 mark. Okay? Give a tick mark, put 1. If you have iron deficiency, you'll suffer from anemia. Okay. Right? Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. Okay?
Okay, this is minute to win game. So let's see.
she got it correct. Yes, we got it. So nothing to do with
Cricketer.
Alright,
I got footballer.
team 4. Okay, so right, team 4, you are also going to identify the actress.
Yay!
Yes, you got it correct. Give 10 marks for them. These are very famous for all of you, I hope so. Okay, so next question is for team 5 again. Direct question. Identify the.
Shahrukh hai wo.
There are some who identify them. Okay, so I'll remove the. So 5 marks.
Sanjay. Who is he?
Someone else, but how many
So this.
Someone else.
Someone else नाम नहीं
Thanks
मालूम.
for them for this round. This is
कौन है वो?
शाहरुख खान की जैसे लगा
audience.
हाँ वो शाहरुख खान ने
ये
कहा.
वाला
Yes.
नहीं बाद में
Yes,
देखा ये.
George. Okay, so this is the last question for team 6. Alright. So again, here it is. Identify the person in this picture.
Shahrukh Khan.
Yes. So they got it. Okay, so we come to the end of this round. Okay, so in the next. Can you identify the goalkeeper? Okay, so he was also a very famous Colombian goalkeeper. His name is Rezzy.
Ni dan putih boots. Menin nga kamrung ta. Kamrung re, ngamshan re.
Putih boots.
Putih boots. Take up. कैसा देते हैं?